Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 30th of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 17th of April 2025, our system has ranked UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.92. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of 33.52%. This corresponds to an average loss of 1.12% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the middle of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further downward movement is likely. The present 3-month trend forecasts a potential decrease of approximately 33.83% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 48.38% to an increase of 3.29%. Shifting to a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of about -18.87%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decrease of 27.73% to an increase of 56.28% over the next year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price between $218.18 and $471.82. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for UnitedHealth Group. The UnitedHealth Group stock price gained 1.25% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 30th of May, 2025. The stock rose from $298.17 to $301.91. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.3%. with a low of $295.84 and a high of $305.60. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has gone up by 10.05% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased by 3 million shares on the last day, with a total of 13 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $4 billion. It is important to note that decreasing volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $630.73, while the lowest was $248.88. Currently, the price is 52.13%, with $328.82, below the 52-week high of $630.73. which is also the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group, trading under the symbol UNH, is currently facing both challenges and potential opportunities in the market. As of today, the stock is experiencing some volatility, reflecting a recent significant drop from a peak of $600 in December, now hovering around $298 per share. Analysts suggest this decline valuation might present a buying opportunity, indicating a possible rebound ahead. However, the company is also grappling with the impact of a class action lawsuit, following allegations of securities fraud affecting investors between December 2024 and April 2025. This legal action can create immediate uncertainty and pressure on the stock price in the short term, as investor sentiment may be negatively impacted by the potential for financial liability. Despite these headwinds, UnitedHealth remains a dominant force in the U.S. healthcare market, commanding 15% of the health insurance sector and generating over $400 billion in annual revenue across its various services. Long-term, if UnitedHealth can navigate these legal challenges effectively and leverage its market position, there is potential for a stronger rebound as fundamentals remain strong. Investors should remain cautious but alert to opportunities that may arise if the stock stabilizes amid ongoing legal proceedings. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned UNH a reduce rating along with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned UNH an outperform rating along with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned UNH a hold rating along with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned UNH an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned UNH a market perform rating along with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of UnitedHealth Group. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, and so far it has risen by 10.05%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock warrants close monitoring. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact the near-term development. While the UnitedHealth Group stock retains a buy signal from the short-term moving average, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the stock. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $394.72. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $298.34. A breakthrough of the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall bearish sentiment. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 34 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 28 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 31 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 26 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $296 and $6,700, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be very high risk. In the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by $9.76 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.3%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.24%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a lack of expectation for the company's future performance or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at $5.47. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $302.98. If you do not own any shares, consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this may be a point worth considering for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, UnitedHealth Group faces its first support level at $296.67. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley conducted an insider sale of 2,525 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, John F. Rex conducted an insider purchase of 17,175 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley conducted an insider purchase of 86,700 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley conducted an insider purchase of 602,773 shares of non-qualified stock options, which grants the right to buy. On the 14th of May, 2025, Timothy Patrick Flynn conducted an insider purchase of 1,533 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 86.783. Overall, insiders purchased 1,043,538 shares and sold 72,964 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group currently shows several negative indicators, leading us to believe that it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is inflated. For trading on Monday, the 2nd of June, we anticipate that UnitedHealth Group will open lower by approximately 79 cents and start trading at $301.12. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.